Hey there, Batman fans. Anyways, we are back. Again, as you guys can see today, Batman fans, we are back. As you guys can see, guys, today, Batman fans, we're back. We are back with another reaction. One of my Batman fans requested, Batman fan, we're gonna react to this, another YouTuber named Parashock X. We're gonna react to him playing Cat Mario. It also says, if I rage, my voice rises. So it's only 8 minutes and 24 seconds. So that's what we're going to do. So before we start, Batman fans, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that bell to turn on notifications every time when we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers who subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. And yeah, Batman fans, your boy Batman for Batman. Let's get started.
For a new idea. I think I've done enough. If something happens, the video ends. It's time I did something fresh. So here is a new idea. If I rage, my voice pitch rises. So I'm gonna play a rage game called Cat Mario. Just letting you know, I only watched one video of this before. And here I am. Oh, man, I just know I'm gonna be so pissed off by the end of this video. Right now I may sound happy and all that, but later on, I swear, I'm gonna be so mad. Hello there, buddy. I didn't see you there, but that's okay, it's okay. That happens sometimes. Yeah, goodbye. Alright. What I learned from the video I watched last time is to not trust anything. Like, anything. Okay.
Wow.
I'm not mad yet. I am not mad yet. Yet. Okay, come on. Come on.
Come on.
I'm okay.
Oh.
I am not raging yet. I have not raged. Can I just... come on.
Oh my god.
Okay, goodbye. Woo! Hey, okay. Alright, don't trust
Anything.
I'm okay. I am okay. How did I get past this the first time? Oh, like that. Oh, okay. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Doing okay. Doing okay. Oh! Checkpoint!
Nice.
Was that a checkpoint?
Nice checkpoint.
I don't know, but... No! Still oh, it was a checkpoint! Hell yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be easy. And this game's not gonna be too hard. I feel like if there's checkpoints, I could manage. I can manage, it's okay, I can manage. I can manage. It's okay, I can manage. See, shit happens sometimes, but we just gotta learn from...
Oh my god.
What
wow. Wow. That's bullshit right there. See, I learned from my mistake. Wow.
I'm still okay, guys.
Still okay?
This game is fun. Fine and dandy, see? It's not the game's fault. It's my fault, you see? It's my fault. How can I do this? Okay, I can do this. Genius! I am a genius. Did I complete? Okay, I know how to complete this level. It's okay. It's okay. No point in raging. You only harm yourself when you rage, you see? Wise words by Parashock, yes. So, no point in being angry, and you just... What?
Wow. The cloud.
I know what's gonna happen. Come on, you little... puffballs, get down here. There you go. Come down, come down. Alright! Let's go! No.
Oh my god.
Huh? Wait.
Anyway, Batman fans, if you like this video already, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shoutouts to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below which videos and games you subscribe, what videos and games you want me to do next. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Victor Batman, reacting to If I Rage, My Voice Pitch Rises, Cat Mario.
What? How do you get past that level? Can I still jump? How do I do it? No, why? How? How am I supposed to get past the first level?
Oh my god.
I'm not mad.
I'm
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. No, sir. I'm not mad. No.
How about now? He should be raging anytime soon. Oh, very bad, fans. Okay, we're back. Here to cut.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Sure, I'll count that as a rage. I'm not gonna get angry. Because that's just who I am. I don't get angry. Sure, I get flustered or irritated, but no angry. Oh yeah, boy! That was... okay, how do I... Oh my god.
He has to get over that.
Okay, I got this.
You got this, you got this.
Alright. How am I supposed to... No!
Oh my god.
How did other people do it?
Minus 40. Minus 41 lives. Oh my god.
Why? Doesn't the... Where? Okay. Come on. Let's do this. So close. Yet so far.
Man,
Oh my.
it's taking so
my.
long. Wow.
Why does this have to happen? I'm irritated.
I think
I
he's
am very
raging.
irritated. Come on.
Wow.
Do I have some sort of double jump skill? Is there some sort of sprint that I am not aware of? Oh. I'm amazed on how people were actually able to even complete the first level. Come on. Okay. How do I get...
He forgot about that.
Savannah. Okay, first level. No, too early. Fuck. What a fun game. I'm just glad this isn't a video where if I die, my voice pitch rises. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Fuck. Hey, you yellow line. Okay. Yes!
Oh. He has to go back.
Alright, next level, let's...
Oh my god.
What am I supposed to do?
He was supposed to go back.
Please, no. Do I have to go down there or something?
Nope.
Are you kidding me? Okay. Come on. Oh, hell yeah! Oh. I got this, guys. Woo! What the hell did that say? I don't know.
Game froze.
Wait. No. Are you kidding me?
Oh man. Well, Batman fans, that is If I Rage, My Voice Pitch Rises, Cat Mario by Shock X. This is your boy Batman. If you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. And I'll see y'all in the next one. See ya, Batman fans.